1990s. And he's exactly what is needed for this. The thing about it is that what you need is a very cool, calm driver. There is no emotion in this. It's not actually like a race. It's a cool, calm, scientific experiment. So we don't want drivers getting carried away and getting overexcited, because we will end up with a really truly terrible accident if that happens. So the whole project has to be controlled by the engineers. The engineers work out the run profile, the driver then drives the run profile and sticks religiously to his instructions.
Seems extraordinary to not be able to get emotional about doing 1,000 miles an hour. I think that's why Andy does it and we don't.
Yeah, I mean, you know, for instance, when I was doing Thrust 2 was only just capable of getting the world land speed record, so, you know, it meant, 11 runs over 600 miles an hour before we got it. After a bit, it started getting quite boring, actually.
So the traditional rules still apply? You've got to do 2 runs inside an hour?
Yeah, that's right. The clock starts as soon as you enter the measured mile. You've then got to slow down, come out of the measured mile, turn the car around, send it back, and you've got to be out of the measured mile within that 1 hour period. So this is pretty tough stuff, particularly from our point of view, because we've got to change the rocket, and also we've got to reload 1 ton of high test peroxide. You know, this is pretty serious stuff.
How many people